what is this?
I just got this new thing on the internet.
What's it called?
It's an Anoutway
Portable electric SUP air pump.
So what you do is you turn it on like this,
That's
and then you choose how many PSI. So on here it says,
You need 10.
it says 6 to 7 PSI.
All right,
So-
7.
So we put it on 7,
So 7 PSI.
and we hit this button.
That's it.
Let's see what it does.
We're blowing up a kite. We're kite surfing. Look, he's doing his too. How long does it take to blow up?
I don't know. This is my first time. It might not even work.
Your first time.
It's probably gonna work, but
All right, did you charge it?
I did. I charged it to full.
So it has a charge port on it. Oh, I see. You can plug it in there, and there's also a USB-C.
Yeah, so you can use it as a power source.
So you could plug your phone in there and charge it, and this is your charger. You got like a DC, it turns it to 12 volts for
Yeah,
this.
you can charge it in the car.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
So a lot of them don't have all these different things, but this one had all of them, so I bought it. It was $109.
Really?
Mine was $300. What the hell? That's not fair.
Uh-oh.
Let's see how Paul's doing.
Oh, yours is losing. This thing is murdering you.
Uh-oh.
What the hell's that?
That's turbo. When it gets to 1 PSI, it goes on turbo.
When it goes to turbo on 1 PSI. Let's feel it. It's still squishy. Oh, hang on.
Anoutway? It's Chinese junk. It works. 6.7. It's gonna happen right now. Bam! 7 PSI. Let's see. And so then we just close it on up, hide it underneath here, and let's look at the battery and see how much. It still is fully charged.
Really?
Look at that.
Doesn't work.
You can blow up like 42 kites with this thing.
Oh my God, that's $100. Where'd you get it?
Amazon. Check out the link below. You can buy it.
Anyway, let's take a closer gander at this. What is this little green thing here?
That's the cover. It's brand new.
Oh, can I pull it off?
It makes you happy.
I get that off there. All right, so there's where the reading is. That's the plus. This is this here. What is it? What are all these things on this?
I don't know what that one is.
This one here?
I think it's to turn it into a charger instead of
Oh,
like
okay.
like if you plug your phone in.
So this is minus and plus.
Yeah.
That's the name of the company. And we put, basically, this is for kite surfing right here. This hooks up on a Cabrina.
So
That's their new system.
It comes by factory. This is the paddleboard setup, but then it gives you a bunch of little thingies. And this said number 2 was the kite surfer plug.
Oh, so it's for kite surfing too,
Yeah.
not just paddle boards. So you didn't. I thought maybe you adapted it so it would. So yeah, you can do your kites with this. And we charged 1 kite, and it's still fully charged. So this thing will work forever. Oh, yours. Yeah, this is
solar.
this is better than yours, I think.
This is a Scoprega from Italy.
Italian design.
Big, better.
You,
Bigger.
you have a very long hose, Paul.
Damn hose.
All right, here. You gotta put it away.
This can come
That
right
is-
off.
I mean, now you got it much cheaper.
I just bought it because my family was in town. And I didn't feel like blowing up the paddleboards for them because it takes like a good 7 minutes of pumping straight, and you're sweating by the time you're done.
Oh yeah.
And it did something weird.
So this is better for kite surfing.
Oh my gosh.
Blowing up kites or even wing
We
foils.
should private label it just for kite surfers.
Just for kite
People
surfers.
buy it all day long, but it's not even labeled as kite surf.
Oh my gosh.
Anoutway. It's an Anoutway.
I gotta buy one then.
Why did that? You're gonna get fat and old like me.
Yeah, because I had pumping my damn stuff up so much.
I didn't bring a towel.
Oh, that's okay. You don't need one.